We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clear paper jam, and I'm working with an HP LaserJet CP1525. So not much to it. There's only going to be about two places that you might have a jam on this printer. So the first place to check is going to be the back. You're going to have this little tab that you can pull out here and it'll open the back. You never want to touch inside the printer. The fuser's back there and it could be really, really hot. But your paper should be sticking out. This follows the paper path, so it's really easy. You just gently pull the paper out. You never want to rip or just yank it out, because it could rip pieces of paper off in there or damage a sensor, causing further jams. So if it's not there, then it should be sticking out here in the top. And then you would just gently pull it out. Again, you don't want to yank it. Papers could rip off inside of there, causing more jams, or you could even damage a sensor, which would cause you to have to put your printer in to a service department like us. If you guys are continually seeing jams, it might be time to put your printer in for a service. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.